Hello friends, I hope you're doing well, and here make a pack of 3D logo mockup templates in PSD. But these are protected. First you need subscription for access of my own file. Go to sheri.pwt.com. Here 3 membership plan, one for month and second for 3 months 90 days and last lifetime membership, just one time payment, all premium stock content. Okay, after subscription you have access of my all file. Okay, here 3D cement logo. You can import your own logo and you can replace with text or logo, depend on your own choice. For example, you can put your own design here. Letter logo, label sticker mockup, and here like 3 paper logo mockup. Total size of these file 10.8 GB, but don't worry, I will compressed, and here total file included JPG preview. Okay, here mock. For example, I have already opened. You see here in gallery, you just double click on your design here. Okay, delete it and replace your own design. For example, I put my own channel name Sheri SK in. Okay, enter, press Ctrl S for saving, and you see our name is here on window. So you can put your own logo easily. Here live business logo mockup. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah.